Hello, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how you can make money with ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT and then how can you use it? I just tried some few questions using this chat. I said what is programming and it gave me some amazing response. How do I become a programmer? And look at the response I received from this chat. To become a programmer you will need to learn a programming language and gain experience writing code. Here are some steps you can follow to become a programmer. So this amazing response. And then also to make money, I went on Upworks and then I looked for some writing jobs and I just picked one of them, ways to take care of your skin naturally. So I went to the AI and I just asked that, ways to take care of your skin naturally. Look at the amazing response I had from this. So you can easily write amazing article for your blog and even other platform using this amazing chat bot. Okay, so let's look at what this really is. So I went to search engine journal and what it says is that ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5. It has a remarkable ability to interact in conversational dialogue form and provide responses that can appear surprisingly human. So this works just like human. If you look over here, the response I received from this chat is just like you are interacting with just anyone. Look at this. This went ahead to say that reinforcement learning with human feedback is an additional layer of training that uses human feedback to help ChatGPT to learn the ability to follow direction and generate responses that are satisfactory to humans. So who is behind, or which company organization is behind ChatGPT? It's good to know that. So ChatGPT was created by San Francisco based artificial intelligence company, that's OpenAI. That's OpenAI Incorporated thing about this. So let's look at how we can use it and how we can make money with this. Now I'll go back to the platform and I'm just going to show you a typical example of how this system works. But before that, remember to subscribe if today is your first time visiting my channel, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming video tutorial. Let's get interactive at the comment section and let's see how best this is going to help you. Let me know if you have an idea or have something to share about this. Now if you want to use this app, the first thing you need to do is to go to this website, that's openai.com. Like I said, they are the brain behind this amazing AI tool. So if you come down here, you can see we have the ChatGPT. So you can click on this directly, or you just click over here, introducing ChatGPT research release. So you can just click on this and it's going to open this in a new tab where you go to the chat.openai.com. And when you come here, what you have to do is that you first need to sign up. I have already signed up. You need to sign up and then verify your phone number, and then it's going to take you to this platform and you can start creating chat and you can start interacting with this AI tool. Now how do we interact with this? Assume you want to create a blog post on how to become a blogger. You can easily type this from this particular chat. So how to become a blogger. So this is how to become a blogger, and then just go ahead and click on this and look at what is going to happen. It's actually going to explain to you. Here are some steps you can follow to become a blogger. So choose a topic. The first step to become a blogger is to choose a topic that you are passionate about and knowledge about. This will make it easier for you to write about your subject matter and keep your readers engaged. So this is amazing and you're going to get amazing response using this amazing chatbot or AI tool. So it's going to go ahead and then give me an amazing response, and you will really appreciate this. If you're a blogger and you want to write articles and you don't know how to go about it, you just have to state your topics. You want to state your topics and just come here and then ask those questions within the chatbot, and it's going to provide you amazing response. So this is just how to become a blogger, and it gave me this amazing response. So ask this chat how to start email marketing. Let's ask this chat how to start email marketing and see the response we are going to get from this amazing chatbot. So okay, let's just say, how do I become email marketer? So let's just say email marketer. So this is a question: how do I become email marketer? Let's see what we're going to get from this chatbot. To become an email marketer, you will need to learn about email marketing best practices and gain experience creating and sending email campaigns. Here are some steps you can follow to become email marketer. So it's going to list and give you amazing steps you can follow. So it's just like a system or a platform that can help you to learn as well. You have a topic as a student you don't really understand, you can easily come here. Now the important part is what I'm going to talk about. How do you make money using this amazing app? One of the ways is to create a blog and then use this to generate your articles. If you have a topic, you can easily come here and this is going to write this article for you. Just have to get the title for your article, you paste it here, and then straightforward it's going to give you amazing information or write article about the topic you provide. So this is amazing. Now let's assume you want to make money on Upwork. You go here, and this is a typical example: ways to take care of your skin. So this is Upwork, and this person is offering around $120. That's a fixed price, and you can apply for this job. So what you have to do is that the total work count is 5,000. So you want to use this topic, just create your subtopics on top of this main title. So assuming I copy this and I go to my AI tool, I can easily paste that down here and then just go ahead and then do this. You don't have to waste time going to be writing this all from scratch. You can easily use this amazing chatbot or ChatGPT to create this amazing article based on the topic you picked. So you go to Upwork, you have mostly topics about writing article, and you can easily use this AI tool to write that, and then you can apply for those jobs and then use this particular AI tool to do that. So you can see what is happening. It's going to give me the ways. So so here are some of the ways to take care of your skin. So ways to take care of your skin is giving me up to 6. Okay, at the moment, so I had 6 different ways. So this is giving me 6 different ways, and this is amazing. You can easily use this to generate your 5,000 words. Just script the subtopics you want to use to write your article, and then just go ahead, and then this particular ChatGPT is going to help you to do that. So all you have to do is to go to Upwork and search for content relating to article writing, and then you can just follow the steps I listed here, and then you can start creating your content. Okay, so remember to subscribe, turn on post notification, and don't forget to always like my video and share with friends. There's amazing content coming on ChatGPT, how you can use it even with programming, how you can get your content well aligned and then start creating something amazing. It's like, come your way again, always like share my videos. Bye bye.